Hey y'all, welcome back to E with Dawn. How is the foodie fam out there doing today? I hope y'all having a marvelous day. You know I am, and you know what I say. And the day above and not under y'all, it's a blessed day. Now, all right. Okay, let me sing the rest of the song. We're gonna mukbang. Y'all, welcome back to another mukbang / burping eating show. Y'all, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. All right, let's look, Quan. So, y'all, yesterday we put up a poll, and y'all wanted to see me chug on Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola won the poll. So I'ma this is a quick video, y'all. So here we go. I'ma chug this down and we see what we get. Took me a good minute to take the top off. Cheers. Y'all chugging on. Let me know down there. Oh, I knew I was going to enjoy this too. I'm trying to hold it in. Ooh. How was y'all weekend? Ooh. Coca-Cola hitting tonight. Ooh. This Coke is really hitting good tonight, y'all. Could finish it. Finish it. Oh, hell. That was a lot of daggone soda. Hell, that's it. Like, what was that? Could have finished it, right? Okay. Whew. Ooh. She's just standing there watching me burp. Hold up. Wait a minute. Okay, y'all. I think that's it for me tonight. I will see you all tomorrow. Have a blessed night.